6:43 this morning, and right now things pretty quiet across the state of Texas. That will not be the case later on. We do expect a threat for severe storms again, but what I want to point out is look where the highest threat of severe storms are, way up in the Panhandle. See that shade of red? That's level 4 out of 5 of the 5 categories of severe weather, moderate risk. Meanwhile, down here in the valley, we're under the shade of green, the marginal risk. So the severe weather threat much lower here than it is up in the Panhandle. Up in the Panhandle, it's going to be a dangerous day. Today is not a dangerous day in the valley because there's a better chance we won't see any severe weather at all. What a marginal risk means, again, 1 out of our 5 categories of severe weather, known as the general thunderstorm category, means no severe storms. There is a very small chance we could see severe storms, but most storms will not be severe. What we're going to be watching for, especially as we get into the late morning, early afternoon, is perhaps a storm or two to produce up to 50-mile-per-hour winds and penny-sized hail. And penny-sized hail really shouldn't worry people. That can do crop damage. So if you're a farmer, yes, that would be a concern. But penny-sized hail will not damage your car. It will not damage your roof. Hail has to be at least quarter size, and I don't even think we're going to see that today. So the biggest concern would be some gusts of winds around 50 miles per hour, which could bring down tree limbs and perhaps some trees. But again, the chance of that is pretty small. We'll let you know if we see any signs of storms becoming that intense, but there's a better chance we won't. All right, so when's the best chance for seeing rain? I think it's going to be from late this morning into the early afternoon. If there's going to be a peak of activity, it's going to be somewhere around 1 o'clock, I think. Notice storms around, but not everybody's seeing storms. That's why we're saying scattered showers and storms. There are still going to be some gaps, and there could be some that miss out on the rain. And it looks at what happens as we get into the later afternoon. Around 4 o'clock, the activity starts to die down again. Now, we're still going to leave in a chance for a stray shower or storm into the evening and overnight hours, but it definitely looks drier than during the daytime hours. The last chance of rain for tomorrow is the very early morning hours. There could still be a stray shower or two to start the day. Maybe still a stray shower around for the morning commute. But after that, the rest of the day is looking dry, and the clouds will be breaking up much better tomorrow than today. Though we'll start cloudy, I do expect mostly sunny skies by the late afternoon, and that's good and bad. It'll be nice to see the sun, but what's bad is that with all that sun, it's going to be getting hot, and we're looking at highs in the mid-90s tomorrow. 89 today, temperatures right around normal. I do think most of the day is going to be cloudy. We could see a little sun by the late afternoon, but there's probably not going to be very much. It will get breezy this afternoon as well, with gusts around 20 miles per hour. And notice we do have a 40% chance of seeing showers and storms. So yeah, have that umbrella ready to go. There's still a chance you might not need it, but I do think that there'll be quite a few that'll be reaching for that umbrella. The rain chance drops to just a 20% chance tonight. Going to be a mostly cloudy night, lows around 76, and still a bit of a breeze around 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll be thankful for the breeze tomorrow because look at that high of 94. Though there's a small chance of rain, a 10% chance in the early morning hours, skies will become mostly sunny in the afternoon with a lot more sun. That's going to lead our temperatures to rise. Now, if you don't like temperatures that hot, the good news is we're going to start cooling down a little bit on Thursday, 93. But once again, the only reason why we're cooling down is because the clouds are coming back and the rain chances are coming back. It's back to isolated showers and storms on Thursday. A little bit better chance of rain on Friday. Right now, the good news is it looks like we dry out a little bit for Saturday and Sunday. It doesn't look rain-free, but I do think more of the weekend will be dry than wet. And then the rain chance goes back up on Monday. Monday does look like the coolest day. We could actually see some slightly below normal temperatures with highs around 85 on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be right back after this break.